Welcome back to the channel, guys, and to another video. And in today's video we'll be carrying on with the bodywork. We'll be around the corner here, so yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Okay, what are we working with? That body filler from the inside. Okay, that's the floor on the inside there. Probably cut this out here till about here. No, maybe angular like that. Put a bit of a lip on here, so I'll bend it 90 degrees so we can have a double lip here. Now that's on the inside there, that I can tackle afterwards. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I've done my paper template, more or less how it's going to be. It's not perfect, but it's just a guide. So when I cut it, when I put it onto the metal, when I transfer it to the metal, I'll give it 5mm or so on each side. There's just a rough guide. So I'm going to transfer it to the metal now. The tricky one about this one is that the body got a curve this way, and it actually curves away as well. Got an arc. So I have to probably make my metal piece maybe not in two places, in two parts, but I'll probably have to join it up to get this proper body line. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm just finished marking out, cutting out, shaping this piece of steel. You can see I got a slight arc in it like that, because the body curves a bit away. So in case you were wondering how I get that arc, if you look this side here, if you look carefully, you'll see there's a lot of dimples on the steel there. So the way to achieve that is I would put the steel onto a flat surface like that, and I would just pound it with the round part of the engineering hammer, like just pound it constantly all the time. So I'll be shrinking this side all the time, which will make the metal curl up, and then you'll get that curved effect. You'll get that curved effect there. Just check out if it's on the steel on the vehicle. Okay, so that curved effect is this section here, because you can see it curves down. So I made it to slot in something like that. I'll just bend that lip a bit flat because it's not 90 degrees, and that will fit something like that. I'm going to just trace this out now into the car and then cut it out, and then fine-tune the steel to fit properly. Bit of a gap still this side, but that I can heat up and knock with a hammer as well once it's all tacked up. Okay, so I'm going to mark it out now and then cut it out. I'll just mark it out like this. So this is a section that will come out here, and the section here. Okay, I'm going to cut it out now. Once again, I'm caught between the width of the actual blade cutting in here, so I'll probably use my deburring tools again and cut the section out. The section here, probably use my deburring tool and cut this out here, because the grinder, the diameter will cut into this whole sections here and cut this all away. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is probably as close as what I'll get it. It's in there. It's in there. This edge here I'll probably have to work as I go along. I cut away a little bit too much, but I can always close that there, that's no problem. So yeah, that's that patch there. So get out the welding machine and see what I can do here. Probably have to just tap it along as a, massage the steel as a carry on. Alright, let's get the machine out. Okay, so I'll just carry on with the stacking and grinding and stuff. I won't show you the whole process like I've done with all the other patchwork, because I mean you've probably seen it a million times before in other videos. So I'll just carry on tacking and beating, and I'll show you when it's done. Yeah, so there we go guys. After quite a bit of fighting and frittering, messing about, that's how that patch came out. I don't think it's too bad. Once I put the body filler and all that stuff on there, I think she will look okay. Same like all the others. I might just apply body filler already, not too sure. But anyway, 3 down. I think 1 to go. Yeah guys, so I included 2 still pics of this area here. If you can recall, there was no little lip there, so I put that in there. I gave it a nice stack there. I'm gonna give it some good welds at the bottom, and I'll clean the stack off here when it comes to the body filler. So yeah, I'll call this side done now as far as the metalwork goes. I'll be tackling the other side now. This side over here, I'll be tackling this side now. This is the next worst spot here, the last actually of the very bad, and after that I'll be starting to do all the body work on the body filler work on the vehicle. Okay, so I'll be ending this video here guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying everything thus far. I'll catch you on the next one.